It's time for random LPS. Who wants to say hi to Lily? Let's fly over the grass, all the way over, fly down to the statue. Roll it, roll it. Ew, it has dog marks. Dog stuff. Hey, Lily! 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 It's hard to see. Ugh. Don't you know I was asleep? Find me. Oh my god, it's scary. Never knew that. I'm gonna go into a mirror. I was in Antarctica. I'm going back. No! Fine. What do you want? Look in front of you. Oh, I forgot about this. Hey, I hope you just didn't see that. I have to tell you something. My friend moved to Canada yesterday, so I have her number. I'm going to text her. Why'd you just tell them a lie? You know this is going on YouTube. But I don't have a friend, so she just makes me say everything the truth. Yeah, 'cause it's best. I'm going to take my hat off. I took my hat off. Look how bad I look. Okay, comment if you want me to wear my hat or if you don't. Because I will or I won't. I think I look good with it. You look bad with it. Take it off. There, look how weird I look. I'm going to keep it on. And don't keep commenting, oh, I like it, oh, I don't. Just thumbs up if this person said. So I'm going to make 2 comments saying I like it and I don't like it. I don't like it with the hat on. Just thumbs up to whichever one has more. Because random LPS is over. Yeah, bye. Peace.